As soon as the market opens, you guys are gonna see this thing go from -1% to probably -100%. A nice solid break of this trend with a nice candle to the downside. I entered just 2 to play small. SPY's going crazy here, guys. Let's fucking go, man. I did alert the Discord too, guys. 800,000, guys. Damn, buddy. Golden Wolf called out a 500% gain off Disney, guys. Going insane. I took a freaking loss on SMCI swinging. I'm never swinging earnings again. The reason why I took it was because it broke the most recent candles and recent high as well. This is the best shit in the game. 25 grams, approaching a scoop. Good morning, my fellow traders. I'm sure you guys have been watching the markets overnight and pre-market. That shit went crazy. SPY broke all-time highs, broke above all my call levels. So I gotta wait patiently for the actual trade setup to come back in my favor. And I am swinging some SMCI calls. That's the only one that unfortunately did not pump either. This SMCI is literally the only stock after earnings report that did not decide to pump with this pump. But everything's going wild, guys. And we even did manage to catch some trades on MES and MNQ last night. So I'm up $100 on the futures account. And I'll show you guys that here in a second. Show you guys what trades I took. So I took 2 of them and they did pay out real nicely. Now, as you guys may have heard or see trending all over Twitter or even been watching the polls, Trump did win, which is most likely why we're pumping up over $16, which is unheard of on my end. I've never seen the market pump up $16 in one freaking pump. That's literally insane, man. No pullbacks besides right now at this exact moment. So we're gonna wait for some pullbacks before we enter any trades because I don't want to chase this and have FOMO or chase this pump and get wrecked. Time is currently 6:07 a.m. We just came back from the gym. I gotta drink my protein shake. I'm gonna talk to the Discord, see what's going on, see what levels I can find in the pre-market. But let's jump right into the futures account and show you guys what trades we took. As you guys can see, I'm up $109, which is a good cushion this morning for me to trade. So if I do take a trade and lose 50, I'll still be up 50. This week's going pretty nicely. We have still 2 more days, which is today, tomorrow, and Friday. So actually 3 more days, including today. I'm already up 173 this week so far. The first trade that I took last night after hours was this one right here on this big candle. The reason why I took it was because it broke the most recent candles and a recent high as well. And I chased the momentum because the volume was kicking in here pretty strong. And so I caught a nice $50 off of this single trade and it actually did hit price target, which my price target was here pretty quick. So that was MES. And I also traded MNQ for a nice gain to complete me up $100. I had to go back into the Discord to find a screenshot since MNQ is not popping up the long position that I took. But this is the long position that I took, which put me 109 after hours at 5:13 p.m. That's the same exact candle that I took for the break of recent highs. Ends up pumping up nicely. Now, coulda, woulda, shoulda held. That shit would be over $500, $600, $800 on that gain because the market was pumping crazy. But I'm not complaining, guys. We're up $109 to start with, and that's a good cushion for today. So good start to this morning. I'm gonna go make my protein shake real quick. Come right back, see what's going on with the chart, see what's going on in Discord since we're chatting up like crazy. And guys, we have over 67 people in our Discord, 645 subscribers on our YouTube. So I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you guys subscribing and liking the videos and watching these vlogs all the way through. I hope you guys are enjoying these. Let's get on about our day. Let's print some good money today. Listen to a lot of trading podcasts this morning at the gym, so I'm hyped. I want to take some good solid trades and try to hold all the way to price target. Take some decent stop losses if I do get stopped out like yesterday. Small L's, high rewards. That's what we're shooting for today, guys. Small L's, high rewards. We're trying to shoot for a nice price target, follow the momentum, and in this case, it's all-time high breaks. Usually I hate trading all-time highs because you just never know if bulls want to continue on up or if sellers are going to step in at any moment. Wait for some 15-minute candle closes like we've been doing and make sure we take the right trades. One thing I forgot to mention is Wolf called out a Disney call last night. It closed at 10% profits last night and that shit is about to be up fast. So I'm going to show you guys what he opens up, and he even called it out for in the free Discord saying weekly dis 99 call at $40 a contract, which is very nice and solid, pretty cheap to play with. Disney's going crazy. So this was his trade idea right here. As you guys can see, Disney's getting pretty tight, broke the nice downtrend, and it just instantly rocketed. Especially with this Trump pump, it's definitely going to help him out and give him some more gains. So he's about to open up fat. Now it's almost at his strike, so he's almost in the money. He's only about 45 cents away from being in the money, but I'm pretty sure these contracts are about to be well over a couple 100%, to be honest. This is the best shit in the game. 25 grams, approaching a scoop. And look at this, man. It's unflavored protein. It doesn't taste like anything, man. None of that extra bullshit. It's the sauce right here. I got bananas, milk, mangoes. Oh, that's the gas. That's the gas. The only trade idea that I have that's right now at this exact moment is NVIDIA. NVIDIA's breaking the call level that I posted in the trade ideas tab, which is 142.30. Currently, it's breaking in the pre-market. I usually hate taking trades right at open. It's one of those things. I'm just not good at it because what can easily happen is it instantly gets wrecked. Now, the volume is kicking in here pretty strong, so I almost want to do it, but we'll see what happens. And this is SMCI. I'm about to see what my contracts open up at, probably like negative 100% since that shit dropped, unfortunately. So that's the thing that said yesterday in yesterday's video, guys, if I take any trades today, even if I make $50, it's just gonna be break even for me. Or if I take a loss, then I'll be down. Let's say I take a $30 loss, I'll be down $80 on the day. So I gotta be careful on the trades that I take. I gotta make sure it's either gonna put me back at break even, or if I take an L, I'm gonna be down pretty bad. So what we're gonna do is pop up the screen right here for my option contracts. As soon as the market opens, you guys are gonna see this thing go from -1% to probably -100%. So let's see what it looks like, guys. 90% instantly. Golden Wolf called out a 500% gain off Disney, guys, going insane. So he literally called out yesterday before the market opened, 15 minutes before the market opened, a Disney weekly call for $40, and that $40 turned into what you guys just saw, 500% swing overnight. That shit went nuts. This Golden Wolf's not the only one that's taking good trades. Look at this. Kev just took a nice $62 gain off Tesla. Stormy Myth just took a fire ass trade. He's up 324 on the day. He's fucking killing it, straight killing it. WBG just said he bought one share of Hood at $27, which that shit might pay. That shit might pay. Other than the L that I took on SMCI, guys, you guys can see here, I took an L on SMCI. Done trying to trade ERs. Currently 747. Have yet to take another option trade, but I was trying to take some longs on MNQ, but it just rejected here. Just went live, 1,000 viewers, almost at 100,000. And let's see how much followers that thing gave us, man. Thing gave us 24 followers, which is pretty good. Which, by the way, now I'm at 4,100, so let's fucking go. But on top of that, guys, some of my videos actually have been doing great. As you guys can see, 600, 600, 600, 700, 600, and then back to 200 jail. But yeah, guys, some of them have been doing good. We only went live for like 30 minutes, 20 minutes, but also we're doing really good on YouTube. We have 647 now. Appreciate you guys following. Appreciate you guys joining in. If you guys watch this vlog, shout out to you. Appreciate you guys. So YouTube's doing pretty good. We need 700 here soon, as well as even Instagram is doing pretty good too. We're doing pretty solid, man. We need some more. We need some more followers. We got 235 followers, 6.3K accounts reached, and a lot of our videos are over the 100 views. So I appreciate that a lot, guys. We're doing pretty good, but I am thinking about entering some spot calls here. So the only thing I don't like is that the volume is slowing down. It's really not that great, as you guys can see. We need a spike and some buyers before I really be confident in this trade. So if we do catch any trades, I'm going to take it on my phone, because I do got to head out of here soon, go scan some documents for my mom, and then we'll head back home early, since honestly there's not going to be that much to scan this week. I just got to make sure every single end of the week that I scan her documents so that she does not get audited by the IRS later on, and make sure that the bookkeeper knows exactly what has been spent and expensed. It's 9 a.m. and I'm just waiting for the 15-minute calendar break on the spot. So let's continue on about our day. Let's go on about it, take you guys along the journey, and every single day we're going to catch something and show you guys transparency of what it's like to be a day trader, future trader, option trader, all that good stuff. A nice solid break of this trend with a nice candle to the downside. I entered just 2 to play small because I want to get 2 wrecked, and I did alert it to the Discord, let everybody know on my tab. This is such a good breakout to the upside. Even broke the most recent candles. So man, if this shit fails, I'm gonna be down like worse than $80. Palmavera that took a nice ass trade off SPY right now, man. Or I don't know how long he's been holding it, but I'm in a SPY call right now, man. But he ended it with a 25% on SPY calls. 15%, 140 is solid, man. He's killing it. So shout out to you, dog. That's a good trade. Even Stormy Myth is doing good. Guys, everybody in the chat freaking ate today besides me, man. I took a freaking loss on SMCI swinging. I'm never swinging earnings again. I'm never swinging earnings again. I took a loss today on the SMCI calls. And it's what it is, man. Here I am in a SPY call, either going to be down $80 to $100 or up at least, you know, break even, or at least maybe $20. But anyways, guys, let's head out. It's 9:26 a.m. listening to some Yeet money making music, because we need the money making pump. And yeah, let's head out, guys. The way this candle's closing with the long wick to the downside, right at entry again. So we're right at break even, guys. We need this nice push, man. We're staying here, guys. We've been holding it for over 30 minutes on a single trade, but we eating good now. And I did alert the Discord too, guys. Learn the Discord that plays, what's going on. We eating good, man. We're now down only $10 on the day, guys. We recovered nicely. SPY's going crazy here, guys. Let's fucking go, man. Good trade, good trade. I'm gonna trade right here, going crazy. $34 on this trade. In and out scalp. For now, I'm up 149, basically 150 on this trade, and that's it. That's all we're gonna do. This is my mom's revenue. This is how I'm trying to be, guys. 800,000. God damn, buddy. Time is currently 1:27 p.m. 1:27 p.m. We're gonna head on home, and guys, we freaking killed it in the market as far as recovering on our losses. And the futures, we're up 150 on a day, so let's fucking go, guys. We have a good start Wednesday. I hope you guys had an awesome trading day, because we certainly did. I called out the most firish trade on SPY, and if anybody took it and held even longer than I did, they would have made 50% on a single trade, guys. That's what it was. That's what it fucking was. Let's head on home, show you guys how we did, show you guys the trade plan, show you guys what trades we took. Let's go, man. Another beautiful day to be alive, guys. Come on. Sunroof open. Life's great. Every single day, life's great. Even on the rainy days, man, life's great. I gotta get a car wash, guys. It's been a couple weeks, maybe even months. But what's going on? What's going on? I go to touchless, and I mean touchless car washes where there's no fucking brushes in sight, man. We don't want to put brushes, dirty ass brushes on our car. I'm in an MES short off this nice head and shoulders break. You guys see left head or left shoulder, head right here, right shoulder. Nice breakdown of candles. Nice 15-minute candle close below, and I'm in some shorts, man. I'm gonna risk it. And guess what? Price target is $51. Stop loss is only $20. So it's not that bad risk reward ratio. What they call that, 2 to 1 in there. No, we kind of feeling risky. We kind of want to buy one more. It's looking pretty solid. I ain't even gonna cap. All right, so I'm feeling risky. I bought another contract, guys. This candle closed pretty nicely. I'm in 2 of them. Stop loss $40. Price target is $100. Currently editing the vlog. This shit better fucking print. Ooh. Doing me dirty. Shit trying to turn back on me, bro. Hell nah. So we're back home. Time is currently 6:31 p.m. and I'm just looking at the futures chart on my phone. We're also going to go over how we did on the futures, how we did in the option market, and what trade we took, as far as even talking about that SMCI swing, because guys, we finally recovered our L. We took a nice decent trade that recovered us and put us almost at break even, down $10 at least, which isn't that bad, but let's go right into it. The trade that we caught was on the S&P 500s off of this nice, very simple downtrend, guys, off the 15-minute time frame. And all I was waiting for, and I even called it out not only in the Discord, the premium chat for the actual entries, but I also called it out in the free chat and told them exactly what I was looking for. Exactly what I said I'm looking for, it happened. So let's talk about it. Literally, as soon as you get this nice downtrend break of a candle to the upside, now as soon as I saw this candle pull back a little bit and enter as close as I could to the bottom of this candle or even this trend, that is when I entered. That's why I have my green line entry right there. Now do not get me wrong though, it did dip down here pretty hard and put me down like negative 15-20%, but it never went below stop loss, which stop loss was this most recent candle right here. Now, I'm very glad I held it because the next 15 minutes closed with a nice long wick to the downside, indicating that buyers are stepping in. I couldn't have the cheat sheet of the buyer volume, but it does show that buyers were stepping in. Then the next candle, again, long wick to the downside, somewhat holding this level. I was at break even there, and then we get a nice push. So unfortunately, I did sell on this candle here. The next candle probably printed over 50%, and the next few candles well over. Contracts were at 160, 170. Mind you, my entry was $93, and I'll show you guys that here. Orders today, let me clean my phone. This shit dirty as shit. So this is the trade that I took on SPY right here. As you guys can see, I entered 2 of them for $93 at 9:15 a.m. I had to do over a 30-minute hold just to get 115. Now these orders, let's see what they went up to. Wow, they hit 275, man. 275 from $93 entry. That would be well over a couple 100%. That's crazy. As you guys can see, I sold my SMCI call for literally $1 loss. Mind you, I got in for $55, so you know, $44 loss that you guys saw earlier, and now I'm currently just down, you know, $10. Not that bad, so I'll take it, man. Decent recovery at least off of these SPY calls. Coulda, shoulda, would have been better if held all the way actually till the actual price target, which was this very top right here, the most recent high. That's why I targeted that area, but I wanted to recover, break even, and I sold for my 25%. Mind you, I literally am starting to call out call outs in my Discord. So on the premium chat, I literally have a couple call outs here. One being yesterday or 2 days ago on SPY, I took a nice SPY put for 180 an entry and sold at 204, 13% trade. Contracts hit 224. Today, did a nice call out. A SPY 11.6 0-day 6 expiration 589 out at the money call for $94. I even said play it small because market conditions are wild. And I alerted everybody 10% here, 30 minutes later, 16%, 23%, and I sold my contract at 114. Really 115, but that doesn't really matter, guys. Come on. Contracts ended up hitting 150, but then they really took off to 275. You guys saw that shit's crazy. But on top of that, guys, I even called it out in the Discord. I was telling them my trade plan. I said I'm waiting for SPY to get above this trend and may enter some calls once we get a 15-minute candle close below or above. Be careful, market trick today after elections. I literally said may enter some calls once we get a 15-minute close. As soon as you get your 15-minute close, I was watching it. I said waiting. That's why I sent this little gif. But guys, I'm not gonna do call outs on the free chat. You gotta get in the premium, and you guys can see nice 15-minute candle break to the upside, and that is why we entered it. Very simply, it's super simple, guys. Trust the process and you'll get paid nicely. 25%, man. Good call out. That first trade would literally pay the premium for what you paid for the monthly just to get into my Discord. Literally, that first trade would have paid the premium if you would have answered 2 contracts. Even 3 of them would have paid well above over the premium monthly membership. You would have got your money back off of the first single trade that I entered today on the option market today. Now, let's talk about futures, because futures, I'm currently just took a trade, as you guys saw earlier, while I was working. $27 loss off of this single trade. I did see a nice $30 here, but we're trying to shoot for price targets just a little bit. Maybe I would have sold out like 40, 50, but it ended up reversing. But guys, guess what? We're finally up 506 on this account. Took it up above. We're doing pretty solid here as well. We're still working on this average win, average loss ratio. It's not too bad. It's getting there a little better. But look at how we're doing this week, guys. $93 win on Monday, $28 loss, $149 win on Wednesday, $27 loss, and we still have, rest of the day tomorrow to trade for today. So hopefully we can get this number above $200 and consistently make some good gains, so that Thursday could be a good gain and Friday could be a good gain. Now, I am going to go live in the Discord tomorrow, so if you guys are not in the premium chat, we're going to go live in the Discord on the premium chat, and then maybe on Fridays I might do a free Friday live call with the boys in the free chat. Maybe. I do got to start treating the premium members nicely, and if you guys want to join in, either go on my website, click the link in my bio, and either 2 options: join the free chat, which you guys need to just be in a community and be the 70th person since we're currently at 69, or join the premium chat and get some nice call outs, live trades, and be in a bigger community full of a lot of live traders, live members, constantly talking about stock trading, and you get more access as far as not only the educational videos, but you also get more access to the economic news, earnings reports, and much more things, guys, because we talk about everything in there. So I hope you guys been enjoying these vlogs. We're gonna end it here. Time is currently 6:39, so we're gonna upload this video. It's probably still gonna take me about almost an hour. It does take that long, guys. It takes me long to, I spend all day working on these type of things, going out, running some errands, doing some quick little side of work, and come back home. And it still takes me all day to edit these videos. So I hope you guys are enjoying them. Finally at 550 or 650 subscribers, so I appreciate you guys subscribing, and let's keep running up these numbers, guys. Tomorrow's gonna be an awesome day.